In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prototype in Figma. Prototyping lets you turn static designs into clickable flows, so teammates and stakeholders can experience your idea. Before we start, make sure you have at least 2 frames in your file. These represent the screens you'll link together. Head to Figma in your browser or open the desktop app and sign in. From your home view, you'll see your recent files and projects. Open the project or design file where your frames live. If you're starting from a blank file, add frames first and rename them clearly so it's easy to keep track. With the file open, switch to prototype mode. You'll find the Design and Prototype tabs in the right sidebar. Click Prototype. You'll notice small circular plus icons, called prototyping handles, appear when you select an object or a frame. Select the first frame you want as your starting screen. Click and drag the blue plus handle toward the second frame, then release. This creates a connection between the two. A panel will appear so you can choose how the interaction behaves. The most common setup is on-click or on-tap. Navigate to the second frame with a simple transition. If you want something smoother, try Smart Animate and pick an easing like Ease In and Out with a moderate duration, such as 300 milliseconds. If this interaction should be triggered by a specific button, select that button inside the first frame and drag its plus handle instead of linking the entire frame. That helps keep interactions precise and prevents unintended hotspots. Repeat this linking process for your remaining frames, connecting each one to the next. Keep your connections consistent. Use the same trigger and animation style, unless there's a good reason to change. As your flow grows, space your frames evenly, so the blue arrows are easy to follow. It's also helpful to keep a clear left to right or top to bottom reading order so anyone reviewing the prototype can understand the journey at a glance. That's it? You went to Figma, opened your project, entered prototype mode, connected your first frame to your second using the plus icon, and repeated the step for the rest of your flow. Save your file, and you're ready to share or present your interactive design. If something doesn't feel right, revisit the connection settings on any arrow to refine triggers, destinations, or animations. With these fundamentals, you can quickly communicate user flows, test ideas early, and gather feedback with confidence.